as good a time as any to welcome Mr. Feroz Aziz, Deputy CEO at Anand Rathi Wealth. Namaste Feroz ji, a very warm welcome. I am very, very sure that this entire tax benefit that has come in via the government in the budget, you want people to put into SIPs.
Yes, how I wish that happens. But I'm very happy if the government gets some more consumption boost rather than just the investment boost. As a industry participant, it's so exciting to say 1 lakh crore के SIP के आंकड़े बढ़ सकते हैं साल के, because 1,10,000 crore goes into pocket, पूरा पैसा आ जाए SIP में. But I think to be fair, even if 40-50% of that came, I would be very excited.
Right. Feroz, warm welcome. Good afternoon. Sakshi this side. Tell me, what were you all expecting? And has that all come into the budget, or is there still some thing left out of the budget to be done by the government now?
I think, see, my expectation over the last few interactions I've had with media or with clients, one was consistency, simplicity. Let me touch upon what they've done on these two counts. Consistency, the fact that there is a direct tax code coming in, there's no capital gain tax ki any baat is a very, very good thing. Second, simplicity, they have already simplified TCS and TDS, which is very good. They've simplified remembering tax slabs. जिंदगी में आई हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू रिमेंबर टैक्स स्लैब्स, क्योंकि बार बार बदलते रहते, 5 लाख तक टैक्स फ्री, फिर 5.5 लाख, नाउ दे मेड इट 2 मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल्स. 4 के टेबल में 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Those are slabs. Tax rates are 5 के टेबल, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Yeah. So now, unless they again tweak it, at least I can say confidently that मुझे याद है और कोई भी आम इंसान को याद रह सकते हैं. That's the second part of simplicity. Third, she said, I'm going to eliminate half the provisions in the next 1 week, which I think is going to be a great news. So I think simplification was done, consistency was done, rectification of different asset classes were not done.
Okay. Feroz, staying with you, in terms of fresh allocations, what would you advise existing investors who want to put in fresh money into mutual funds, and new investors who are coming in, how to make their portfolios keeping this budget in mind?
I personally think if you're a fair human being, then this is advice only for fair human beings who expect the right things. If you're ready to weather the volatility of 5-7% here or there, and broader markets of about 8-10% here or there, there's a quite large likelihood that at a discount of 8% you see from September, 6 months of time correction, and an 8% broader market, nifty correction, and a broader market correction of almost 11-12%, I would surely buy into it. Why would I buy into it? Is because the kind of capital expenditure we are seeing, 11.2 lakh crores is a reasonable capital expenditure, and they're actually meeting it and actually spending it. And if I have to give some context to this number, because 11.2 lakh crore भी बड़ा है, 3 लाख करोड़ भी बड़ा होता है, तो इसको कॉन्टेक्स्ट में डालूं तो पहले मोदी जी के मोदी 1.0 में 12 लाख करोड़ 5 साल में खर्च हुए थे कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर. नाउ वी आर स्पीकिंग 5 साल का काम 1 साल में हो रहा है, वो भी दूसरे साल भी उतने का उतना. सो दिस विल बी द थर्ड ईयर वेयर आवर बजट इज अबव डबल डिजिट लाख करोड़. एंड कोई भी देश देख लें इस दुनिया में, they've gone into a different trajectory of becoming a developed country. It is always preceded by huge infrastructure and capital expenditure, and that's one thing which they've been steadfast on. Okay, they're spending one thing which I didn't understand, or I'm still trying to comprehend. They're trying to spend 2,33,000 crores, 211 crores on home affairs, which is a 68% growth, which is hurting me. And they're spending only 9% growth on education, which is not so. 1% growth on education and 68% growth on expenditure of home affairs is not, for a country which is so young, like 29 years of average population, is not making sense.
Got that. Okay, so Firoz, tell me, post the budget, does anything change by way of investment strategies for retail investors, or should one just stay the course? You were with us, at the beginning of the new year, and you were suggesting some funds and schemes that one could look at in terms of their diversified portfolios. Is there a need to add any thematic fund? Is there a need to alter that, or put some additions looking at where the government is looking into the direction now?
Yes, Shakshi, if you recollect that day, I said that the problem is not with Nifty. The broader market is skating a little on thin ice.
Yeah.
Now that broader market correction is, to my mind, behind us. If you dissect the broader market fall of becha kisne, right? And after some research, I figured out that becha na to FII index fund FIIs ne nahi becha. These short-term FIIs, ARP funds, hedge funds have sold brutally. There were 38 companies where these FIIs had doubled their shareholding. They have sold it, and all of that is already emptied. That's one information I'm giving you. In my opinion, these short-term FIIs have emptied their small cap portfolio. So broader market may not be into a pain because there will be a sharp pain in a short span of time. So you don't have to worry as much as you would worry if the markets fall like this. 32.9% is the growth in earnings for the 80 companies in the mid-cap space which have declared results out of 150. People are not speaking about it. 32.9%. वो 80 कंपनियों ने लास्ट ईयर सेम क्वार्टर में 77.86 रुपीस कमाया था और इस साल 103 रुपए 50 पैसे कमा चुके हैं. Of course, there are 70 more companies to declare results, but broader market fall is almost over. 8-10% falls here or there is not something which I can surely not guess. Of course, LG can, because he's always got it right.
Okay. We'll discuss this in person. I'm coming to Mumbai. I'll come and say hello to you in your office. Thank you so much, Feroz ji. It's a pleasure listening to you.